Hello beautiful people, this is Cooking with Debs slightly differently. I am currently on a use it up or put it in the freezer kick. So I've got lots of things going on today and I thought I'd show you a few of them. I've already cut up some carrots and just brought them to boil, simmered them for a couple of minutes and then put them in ice water, and then those have been portioned up and gone in the freezer. I've also cut up some leeks that were getting a bit sad. I've got a risotto going on over here. Let me see if I can do this. Right, so in the silver one we've got my turkey bones from Christmas that have been in the freezer and I am turning them into stock. Over here we've got leeks that needed using, and this is a risotto that I'm making with my turkey stock as it cooks. And that's just using up odd bits. I had some odd small amount of arborio rice. I've got some mushrooms in there because I've got lots and lots of mushrooms that need using up. I have also made some apple crumbles to give to some friends and neighbours. So let me know if you want any of these recipes or some more ideas, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.